Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a link on your Instagram story. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just head on and open up our Instagram application right here. And from your home page, or if you're from your profile page, just click on this plus icon at the top right part of the screen. And from here, just click on story because we want to post a story with the link you want. So just tap on story and just click on camera right here. You can also click on a certain photo or video or any media you want to post your story with the link. But I'm just going to open up the camera right here. I'm going to take a random photo, or you can just click that. And from here, right beside the AA icon or the text icon, just click on the sticker icon right there. And you should be able to see the link option. So just tap on that. And immediately you should be able to be given the option to enter or insert your URL. So I'm just going to paste in my Facebook account URL. Paste. Like that, and you can also customize the sticker text. For example, you can enter a text that is relevant to the link and just click on done right there. And it should look like this, and you can also tap the sticker if you want to change its appearance according to your preference, and you can also resize it and add text if you want to add more context, and just click on your story right here to add it to your story. So that is how you can basically share a link on your Instagram story. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.